So, hello guys. Today I want to make a collection video because it's almost New Year, so I just want to make a short video about a small collection of these balisongs. So I'm gonna go through like its name, when I got it, and things about it, like how it flip and stuff. Also, yeah, just let's get started. This one. This is called a box cutter V3, and this one I got it like a year ago, almost a year ago. It's like 11 months, and this one actually my only authentic product, and it's like designed by Vietnamese, and oh my god, designed by Vietnamese, but they don't got a machine, so they send the design down and our Chinese company to do the rest. And we got this. This is oh my god, this is a sandwich design, and it's pretty much blade bias, which is not my preference, but I can still manage with it. It feels so heavy because of the blade, but it's good beginner balisong in my country, a really good option, really cheap, and it's so popular in my country right here. God. And it also have about 3 versions. This is version 3. I have owned the version 2 before, but I lost it. Ow. It has different blade, so it's way easier to flip and learn the stuff easier. This one, I got it for fun because, you know, I love this thing because some memories with it. I will get another one soon and mod this thing. Hope it's gonna be better. So let's move on. The next one I got is a Kraken clone V3 with a Bowie blade. So I got this back in May 2024 for my birthday. Very cool. This thing has been taking the beat for me quite well. Also, it is very bad in tolerances. I don't know how to save it from the tap and play, but still, I'm not gonna do it because I wanna replace it soon. This is my main flipper for 7 or 8 months for now. Oh god. It's still my favorite because it's just how much I love the Kraken. And if someone asks me, like, is this one worth it? I suppose it is. If you be careful with it, more careful with it than I am, you're gonna be a great one with great tolerances also. I have been messing with the hardware like tons of time up to now. So yeah, I suppose the tolerance is so bad. Also, I Loctite it, but I cannot get it out. So yeah, it's, I suppose, highly safeable, but I'm just too lazy to do so. And I maybe even ruin it more. So I don't care. It's still fine like this, so whatever. Let's move on. So this one is switch trainer before clone. I got it in June 2024 because I like it. Like, I want to try a switch trainer clone. And this one's so cheap, so like, just why not? My god, but this thing is slippery. That's why I don't flip it as much as my Kraken. It's not as comfortable as the Kraken. It's gonna have some tap, but I can fix it by tightening the screw. Hold on, if we can do this one-handed. Okay. This kind of works. Let's tighten it more. Yeah, it's getting better. That's fine. Enough. One thing about this is that the washing one, the by handle, is weird. It doesn't. It's totally. The swing is stopped when you fully crank it down, so I have to tune it. Like hell no. I don't like it, so I don't flip it as much as my Kraken because I don't want to tune it every time, and I am scared of Loctite. I also did it for quite a while because during that time I go out a lot. It was my public flipper. Yeah, it's still good. If I retune it, it's gonna be so good. But yeah, I'm too lazy. Let's move on to this one. This one is Nautilus Clone, and it's my bubble flipper. Ever seen I bought it in November last year. This thing is so fun to play with because it's smaller than most of my balisong. Gonna compare it to the Kraken, which is slightly smaller than the authentic one. Yeah, you can see it's sort of quite a bit. Yeah, and it's way lighter because the liners here is not fully aluminum. It's on something like some kind of plastic, and it glows when you turn the lights off. Yeah, that kind of cool, I guess. And also, I stripped the screw on the my handle, so it has some tap. I don't know how to fix the stripped screw, so maybe one day I will find out. But for now, I'm gonna have tap. Move this from here because I cannot tune it. If it's not stripped, I can get it to like no tap easily. I have tried it before. Yeah. Oh no, no! God damn it. Ugh. Yeah. This thing is cool, I guess. I flip it quite often when I go out, and it still hold up well. I just want to fix this, strip the screw or send it to someone. Oh man, send it to someone to fix it. Soon I will do it. Restore it to the best. Let's move on to the final one. This is Mako before clone. I got it December last year. Yeah, quite new to me. I got this quite to say like I got it again because before I have another Mako like this, and this is the old handles. The original handles of that is here. It's full black, but I switch it out for fun. Like, why not? I have two set of handles. I can do anything I want. This one is fun to play. I quite enjoyed it when I first got it. The Mako before clone is actually one of the first balisong I own. what? One of the first vest on my own, so I really love it. It's sharky balisongs, like why not, man? It also has some tab. Yeah. More is for the by handle. You cannot sound test it, and it has handle slap. Hear that? So that's why I don't flip it very much, because I'm scared to ruin it. You can see this way the part I hit the handle. So yeah, I don't like it as much because of these tolerances and this stupid blade. So yeah, that's about it about my collection. Yep. That's about it. So if you like this video, do whatever you want. I don't care. I don't care as much. Okay, that's my collection. I only have 5 balisong left. I have about 3 more, but it is like broken or I lost the hardware, so I just handle the blade separately. And yeah, that's it about this video. See you soon.